I think one of the key challenges that any financial consultant will face is for lead generation, right? How do you get high quality and high intent prospects that actually will value your time and want to do business with you, right? And that's one of the things that we have been able to overcome and address, right? Because we have our lead generation platform that is able to tap onto the cold market, right? So you're not reliant on your social network, right? And have a sustainable flow of leads that comes in, every week, every month, such that you can keep your pipeline flowing. So in a more traditional approach, most of the advisors or most of the financial consultants tend to rely solely on their social network to give them business, right? And that's where we differentiate ourselves, because with the digital age, we're able to, generate quality leads using various platforms to give us more opportunities to grow our business. So you see, work-life balance is something that is really not far-fetched, because we have 168 hours a week, and it's really up to you, to allocate your time to meet all the different responsibilities of work and life. Blocking is one approach that I use. So I'll block out certain chunks of my time throughout the week to ensure that I have time with my family and for my personal, hobbies like tennis and cycling and such. So the beauty of this is you get a clean slate, right? And you get to decide how you want to allocate this 168 hours to meet the goals that you've set for yourself, all right, without sacrificing your personal time and your family time. So in general, an average employee may work about 40 to 50 hours a week. So for us in our career, as long as you are having a productive 40 hours a week, it doesn't matter where these 40 hours come from. It could be in the afternoon, in the evening, or late night, right, when you meet clients for dinner. So as long as you're being productive for 40 hours a week, that leaves you plenty of time. 168 hours, you're only allocating 40 hours to your business, right? So you've got 100 hour plus that you can decide whether you want to sleep, spend time with your family, or pursue your hobbies or go to the gym, right? So I think it's really achievable if you strategically plan out your schedule based on your priorities and your goals, right? So I like to do this at the beginning of every year, right? With the goals and the targets that I've set out, I will allocate my schedule and my time accordingly, right? So if I'm having at least 40 productive hours every week, my business will be taken care of. So in terms of compensations, there are two models generally in our business, right? So the first is to receive a monthly allowance, right, on top of the commission. So this monthly allowance will give you some cash flow, right, for your monthly expenses. But with that, there is going to be some sales target and some KPIs for you to meet on a regular basis, on a monthly basis, for you to unlock this allowance. So the second model is to be 100% commission based, right? So there's no sales target or KPIs for you, and you purely make the commission, right? So you can decide whether you want to make 5,000 a month or 50,000 a month, really based on your performance and the amount of business you bring in. Yeah. So generally, there is two paths in our business. One is the advisory path, right? Which means you focus on sales and you focus on building your book of clients. Your role is to build deeper relationship with your clients and find more clients, basically, right? So the second path is the management career, right? So that's where you become a manager, all right, or a team director, and then subsequently a branch partner, right? So this is more about building a team and ensuring that you've got a productive team that is able to grow over time, right? So as the manager or the branch partner, you get to enjoy a profit share of the team's success, right? So you can continue to do your sales business as well as an advisor in the advisory role. And in addition to that, you'll get a profit share as a team director or a branch partner.